Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Crazy Country Couponer, and I'm Jenny, and welcome to my house. And Merry Christmas, everybody. And Happy Bah Humbug! It's almost over for those of you who need to know. And guys, since it's Christmas Eve, I just thought we would just do a quick look at our ad because we're not going to be doing anything with this tonight, I'm sure. And, well, tomorrow's another day. If you're not one of our crazy friends yet and you're just browsing and stopping by, well, come on in. Hit that subscription button and that notification bell. Do it right now. Start the new year off right by saving more money than you ever have before and doing it really simple and easy. So, hit the subscription button and that notification bell. That way you won't forget and you won't miss any deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information. Now, let's look at our ads, everybody. Because, like I said, we may have to run out and do something tomorrow. Or, for sure, sometime this week. Now, Dollar General holiday store hours. Christmas Eve, they are open until 10 o'clock tonight. For those of you who might have forgotten something. Christmas Day, of course, they are closed. Now, what do we got going on? Well, for this week, we've got the Mountain Dew with a $2 off and the bubbly. We've got 2 for $2.50 2 liters. We've got the Dr. Pepper Sunkist and the Canada Dry 3 for $15. Those Pepsi products 2 liters are still 2 for $3.50. And then we got 3 for $11 on the Starry Brisk Mug and Crush. We've got coupons for all of this still, guys. And then we've got BOGO 50% off now with the Cheetos, not just the Tostitos. We've got a buy 4 Lay's potato chip deal, and they'll be $2.25 if you buy 4 of them. Ow, excuse me. And on the laundry side, we've got a $1.25 off of the All or Snuggle. And we've got new Snuggle coupons. And we've got our Earn still, I do believe. We've got a $2 off of some Gain. We've got $3 off of some Tide. And we've got our instant savings still going on the Scott tissue. And we've got 3 for $5 on the Kleenex. Now we still have the save $2 when you spend $9 on the Nabisco. And I'm not seeing anything where we might be able to get a glitch yet with that. 2 for $8 on the Fruit Loops. It doesn't look like we've got anything much different than what we had last week. We got our instant savings on the Prego when you spend $8. $3 for $10 on Gain. Okay, this might be interesting. When you purchase one Gain Fling, a Gain liquid, and a dryer sheet. I think the last time it was glitching and attaching to all flings. We'll have to check that out on the morrow. I'm telling you, I'm not seeing a whole lot of anything extraordinary, guys. I guess because they figure we ain't going to be doing a whole lot of shopping right after Christmas. But you know, we'll get you some deals going because we haven't seen our coupons yet. We don't know what kind of coupons we got going on. What they may have given us. And what other deals we may be getting right after Christmas. Because they may give us. So everybody, if you would please leave a comment or emoji I would greatly appreciate it. YouTube appreciates it, and it's very important to us right now. And guys, I just want to tell you one more time how much I appreciate you, how important your contributions are, how I love having you as my crazy friends. So blessings, enjoy your family, be grateful. Love you bunches, and I'll see you soon.